Did you have a great morning today? If you did, it probably wasn't by accident. You either, one, made the decision, even if you didn't consciously do it, when you woke up to have a great morning, or two, it was great by default because you've created your own morning routine that sets you up for a successful day. What you do in the morning can set the tone for the entire day. It's kind of like a domino effect, and it's not just the day that gets set up for success. It actually creates the foundations for you reaching your goals and living the life you are truly meant to live. This is why having some kind of morning routine is so very, very important, even if it just takes 2 to 3 minutes a day. But before we go any further, let me introduce myself for those of you who may not know me. My name is David Bennett, and I help busy women and men, moms and dads, lose weight, regain their energy and their confidence, and confident in themselves, and keep the weight off. So when you boil it down, there are 5 important things you want to think about involving your morning routine. Your morning routine should, 1, support your goals. Your morning routine should be aligned with what's important to you and what you're working towards. 2, help you feel energized. Your choices should give you energy so you're ready to take on your day. 3, create focus plus intention. When you wake up in the morning, you have a choice about how you're going to spend your day, creating an intention and focus. Each day is important so you can be proactive and live each day with purpose. 4, elevate your mindset. Your morning routine should put you into a positive state of mind. Do something that fires you up and empowers you to be your absolute best self. 5, be simple. If your routine is too complicated or long, you're not going to stick with it. Keep it short, keep it simple, and build on it over time. Can you think of a few great new ways to start your morning? I challenge you to take action this week and put together your own morning routines that you're going to commit to over the next week. Oh, and this is just a small piece from my good morning, good night ritual guide. If you haven't grabbed a second and wrote down some of the rituals that you would like to implement, do it now. This will set you up for success. This is also one of the things we help our clients integrate into their daily lives so that they can make their goals a reality. So if you're still watching this video right now, it's for a reason. So let us help you finally solve those problems, reach your goals. If you resonate with these ideas, take a minute and follow me on Facebook or here on YouTube. Own your day. Also, stay tuned because in my next videos, I'm going to be pulling back the curtains on some of my own personal routines. Have a fantastic day.